Hey guys, welcome back. It is Chinese New Year's week, and it is the year of the rabbit, so we're making a rabbit snack. I'm here with my good friend, Tori. She's gonna help me. She's gonna try this. So we just got a snack cake, and we're just gonna cut part of the way down, just like that, to separate for the rabbit's ears.
Oh, rabbit.
Okay, yeah, it's a rabbit.
All right.
So then we're gonna take some frosting.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna put some lines up here.
Okay.
For the rabbit's ears. Okay. And then
two eyes.
his two eyes. You're right, Tori.
Two eyes.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put a couple little dots right there for his eyes.
And
now we're gonna stick
sticky.
the eyes on there. Okay. Ooh.
I got it for you.
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks.
Then
Two ears.
we got a Skittle for his nose.
Oh.
So I'm gonna
No.
put a little dot right there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hi.
And now we're gonna do some lines for like whiskers.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Oh, I got it.
And then a little mouth coming out here.
Okay.
So, and all the colors we're using here are some of the lucky colors. We mentioned pink, red, purple, and blue are the lucky colors for the rabbit on.
Oh.
There is our little Chinese New Year rabbit.
Okay.
It's more of a rabbit. It's not really a Chinese New Year thing, but it's the year of the rabbit, so we're going to try it. Tori is going to give it a taste test for us and tell us what she thinks.
Oh, right.
Go ahead and take a bite, Tori.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Wait a minute.
Yep.
Nope.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Tori approves. I hope you do too. Have fun making this and even more fun eating it. Right?
Yeah.
All right, you want to say bye with me?
Bye.
Bye, guys.